Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Matthew Markham here. I'm talking here with Joel Daniel. He is a broker here. He's going to be on the other side of this conversation asking me questions about some of the incentives that we have going on. We are here to educate you on solar and what we can do moving forward. So you want to introduce yourself there?
Yeah, guys, my name's Joel Daniel. I have a brokerage in an appraisal company in Temecula, California. A lot of times I'm just the devil's advocate here. But also I do realize the benefits of solar. And I want Matt to explain this. Today's topic, we're just talking about the government incentives and policies. And my first question, Matt, just talk a little bit about the government incentives for solar.
So the biggest government incentive, obviously, is the federal one. You get about 30% back if you go finance or cash. Now, obviously, cash is king. You're going to see the greatest return on your investment if you go cash. But yeah, I mean, basically, it's going to be off your federal income tax credit. So let's say you're paying $20,000 a year in federal income taxes. Fantastic. Good job. You make good money. All right, great. So if you went solar, you can go ahead and take 30% of your total cost of your system. Let's say your system was $30,000. We take 30% of that off. That's $9,000. That's $9,000 you don't have to pay in federal income tax credit.
Guys, now, we're not tax people, by the way.
No,
I mean, just
I don't
verify
know anything
that,
about
right?
this.
Yeah.
So, but what I do tell people is I say, you need to talk to your tax professional, though, to verify that you're going to be eligible for this. Because what I've seen time and time again is people don't check. Then they find out, oh, wait, I don't pay taxes. I don't owe anything at the end of the year. Mm-hmm. Well, the problem is if you don't even pay taxes and you don't owe anything at the end of the year, you're in trouble now because that's not free money. That just negates the taxes that you would have had to pay.
A lot of Southern California does have HOA communities, and I wanted Matt to go over the process. If I'm in an HOA and I want to get solar, how can you help me get through the process where I don't have to do a lot of work, I don't have to do a lot of legwork? How do you help me so when I want to get solar, it's just done, I can go on with my life and don't have to deal with it?
Well, there's always two kinds of people, right? There's the guys that know their neighbors and there's the guys that hate their neighbors. Mm-hmm. If you know your neighbors and you like them, then you can go ahead and take the form over and have them sign saying, hey, I know that you're getting solar, and then we'll submit it to the HOA. If you hate your neighbors, I'll do it for you. Okay. But either way, you get signatures from both sides, neighbors, that they are informed that you're going solar, and we submit it to the HOA. And then it's mainly just a formality at this point. HOA, they'll look at our what's called a line one design. They basically look at the design and say, oh, okay, that's solar. And then we go solar.
So you legit have to go to each neighbor on each side and ask them?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So you do have to inform them basically that they're going solar and they sign there. Wow. But I mean, at this point in time, I've never seen an HOA actually successfully stop someone from going solar. Okay. So it's more of a formality that we continue to do it. But in California, if you want to go solar, you can go solar.